Deep within this ancient mountain range lies a vertical stone face, perfect for a modern survivalist home project. Constructing a dwelling against raw stone requires immense physical strength and a deep understanding of natural structural engineering.
This specific location offers natural protection from high winds while providing a strategic view of the river valley.
Every inch of the rock must be inspected to ensure the anchor points for the house remain secure.
Using traditional chalk allows for precise measurement of the floor plan before the heavy lifting phase begins today.
Removing uneven stone sections ensures that the rear walls of the modern house will sit perfectly flush here.
Moving hundreds of pounds of river rock daily builds the essential base layer for the exterior stone walls.
Mixing red clay with water creates a natural adhesive mortar that will bind the stones into one unit.
Precision in the first layer prevents structural failure as the height of the modern cliffside house increases significantly.
Hours of repetitive stone masonry result in a solid perimeter that anchors the entire structure to the cliffside. Measuring and cutting the main pillars with a handsaw ensures total control over the architectural dimensions chosen.
Notched joinery provides a superior mechanical lock for the roof beams without the need for modern metal nails.
Driving the pillars deep into the foundation ensures the house can withstand the pressure of seasonal mountain storms.
The skeleton of the modern shelter is now visible, showing a clear separation between nature and the structure.
Working at height requires careful balance and focus while managing the heavy timber beams for the roof assembly.
Natural vine rope acts as a flexible binder that tightens as it dries, creating an incredibly strong bond.
The weaving process creates a surface that will hold the clay plaster while allowing the building to breathe. Applying the mud plaster is a messy but vital step that provides thermal mass and weatherproofing for walls.
Smoothing the clay gives the house a modern aesthetic that mimics the look of high-end concrete architectural finishes.
The large window opening is designed to maximize natural light and connect the interior space with the landscape.
Using dark wood for the frame creates a sharp visual contrast against the light red clay of walls.
The architectural silhouette blends industrial lines with organic materials to create a unique and visually stunning forest hideaway. A hidden side entrance provides an alternative exit while maintaining the privacy and security of this cliffside location.
Slate is an ideal flooring material because it is naturally flat and durable and holds heat from the sun. Fitting the irregular slate pieces requires a keen eye for geometry to ensure a level and stable surface.
Sweeping sand into the joints prevents the stones from shifting and creates a clean, finished interior look today. The completed floor adds a layer of luxury and permanence to the interior of the modern cliffside build. A mono-pitched roof design is a hallmark of modern architecture and efficiently sheds heavy mountain rain and snow.
Bamboo provides a lightweight and waterproof base layer that is easily replaceable using the surrounding forest resources here.
These massive leaves serve as a natural membrane that prevents any moisture from penetrating into the living space.
Dark Timors. From this high vantage point, the modern house is nearly invisible, proving the effectiveness of the green design.
A floating bed design saves floor space and emphasizes the modern minimalist theme inside this wild survival shelter.
Boring into solid granite by hand is a slow process but provides the most secure structural anchor points.
The natural mattress provides comfort and a pleasant forest scent that improves the quality of sleep in nature.
This compact fireplace will provide essential warmth and a way to cook meals during the cold mountain nights. Ensuring proper ventilation is critical to prevent smoke buildup inside the small enclosed modern living space of the house. Vertical storage solutions keep the floor area clear and maintain the tidy, organized look of the modern cabin.
Handcrafted textiles add a layer of warmth and personal style to the cold slate flooring of the house.
The soft glow of the lamps highlights the textures of the stone, wood, and clay inside the shelter.
The balcony creates a dramatic outdoor space where one can experience the full height of the cliffside location.
Cantilevered engineering allows the balcony to hang over the void without the need for tall vertical support beams. The railing provides safety without obstructing the panoramic view of the river valley and the distant mountain ranges.
Gravity-fed water systems are a luxury in the wild, providing clean water for drinking and hygiene every day.
The gentle sound of bamboo wind chimes creates a peaceful atmosphere that complements the sounds of the forest.
Fresh ingredients gathered from the forest are prepared with care in the cozy heart of the modern shelter.
Eating outdoors in such a dramatic location provides a sense of connection with the vast wild mountain landscape.
The roof design successfully directs the rainwater away from the foundation, protecting the structural integrity of the home.
The modern window provides a clear view of the storm while keeping the interior environment peaceful and dry. Every detail of the interior has been carefully considered to create a harmonious and functional living environment here. The scale of the construction project is revealed as the camera moves back into the vast forest canopy. Personalizing the space with artistic carvings turns the survival shelter into a true home with unique character today.
Waking up with the sun is a natural part of life when living in an off-grid cabin. Starting the day with fresh mountain air and a beautiful view is the ultimate reward for her labor.
The successful completion of this solo build demonstrates what is possible with determination and basic survival skills today.
Marking the structure with the project name signifies the final completion of this architectural forest build project.
Looking back at the process reveals the sheer volume of work required to build a modern mountain home. Nature provides all the materials needed if you have the knowledge to build your own forest sanctuary.
Preparing for the colder months involves stockpiling fuel to keep the modern interior of the house warm tonight.
The atmosphere of the cliffside changes constantly as weather patterns move through the high mountain forest range.
A healthy living roof provides the best insulation and camouflage for the structure against the cliff face. Future expansions of the cliffside home are already being planned to increase the sustainability of the site. The seamless integration of natural clay and raw stone creates a beautiful and durable architectural finish inside. Access to fresh running water is the most valuable asset for any survival build in the mountains. The forest provides a variety of food sources for those who know how to identify edible plants.
Living above the clouds provides a unique perspective on the world and a profound sense of isolation.
Developing pottery skills allows for the creation of durable storage containers using local river clay found nearby.
Maintaining the living roof is an ongoing task that ensures the house remains insulated and perfectly hidden.
The embers provide a steady heat that keeps the house warm throughout the entire mountain night to night.
Observing the local wildlife from the safety of the modern cabin is a constant source of wonder.
Keeping the vegetation trimmed ensures the hidden entrance remains accessible while staying completely camouflaged from outsiders.
The natural materials used in the construction create a beautiful interplay of light and shadow every evening. Being prepared for any situation is the key to successfully living off-grid in the remote mountains.
The proximity to fresh water and the beauty of the landscape makes this the perfect building location.
Woodworking is a peaceful and productive way to spend the long, quiet evenings in the forest home.
Mapping the surrounding forest helps with navigation and locating the best areas for foraging and gathering wood.
The warm light from the house is a welcoming sight in the middle of the dark forest.
The solitude of the cliffside house provides a rare opportunity for reflection and connection with nature.
The efficient fireplace design ensures that the house remains warm while using the minimum amount of wood.
The modern cliffside house is the perfect base for a life of adventure and survival in nature.
Building a life in the wild starts with a single stone and the courage to begin today.